Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from Barcelona at SmartCon 2023 by Chainlink. Joining us for this segment, we have Nick Zwaneveld. He is the founder and CEO of Coorest. We're going to discuss tokenizing real-world green assets to create sustainable products and services. Nick, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to TradeTalks.
Thanks. Nice being here.
Thank you so much. How does Coorest tokenize green assets?
Well, we actually bring the trees or forest or farms to the blockchain as a token, and we use satellite data to connect the real-world asset to the token itself, because the token is just a representation of a asset, and in our case, the asset is physical and it lives on off-chain, and we verify it using satellite data. And that's basically how we tokenize
So
it.
Tokenizing is almost a derivative of the underlying,
correct.
almost like equities and options. It's a derivative of the underlying. Yeah. Why did you choose to utilize Chainlink technology for your project?
Because that allows us to create this bond or the link between the token and the real world asset. And Chainlink allows us to bring satellite data on chain, in this case biomass data from our satellite data provider. And the smart contracts basically consume that data in order to mint tokens. And it happens all through Chainlink oracles.
Who benefits the most from this technology and innovation?
Yeah, so there's basically two people or two actors. So that can be a farmer, that we tokenize their farm, and the investor. So the investor has the opportunity to buy or invest in a farm or a fractionalized part of the farm. So capital can then flow into the farm, and then the farmer can buy more land, plant more trees, and generate a fruit, a vegetable, or CO2 carbon credits. So yeah, we are basically connecting supply and demand through on chain.
So the farmer gets the capital. How do the investors make money? Is it based on the expansion of what the farm produces, the more it yields?
Yeah, so the investor is exposed to the yield of the farm, and that can be carbon credits, or that can be the produce itself.
Okay, got it. That makes sense now. What will the future of tokenized real-world assets look like? Do you think it could change the way that capital is distributed globally?
Yeah. So, in my opinion, I think that mainly people from the unbanked areas or developing countries, they can basically now access global capital on the blockchain. So because now investments can flow more easily into projects or into real-world assets, skipping this whole legacy financial infrastructure.
Right. Well, it's not like a farm in a developed area is going to go to a U.S. exchange and list their farm in an IPO. So this, again, it's another alternative to raising capital. Are there specific regions that this takes place in, or?
No, it's global.
Right.
So right now we have onboarded 9 projects ranging from China to Argentina. Right. So because blockchain is a global financial infrastructure, allowing us to basically do this anywhere in the world.
Yeah, it's amazing. All right. We appreciate the insight, Nick. Thanks for joining us on TradeTalks.
Thank you.
And thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.